Who is that rider in the night sky? Is that? It is. Calyrex is back! And this night, calyrex has returned with a new form. It's been an entire decade ever since the last time we saw calyrex. It was the holidays when I last saw him. As I've mentioned as well, calyrex has two forms. This time, we're drawing his Ice Rider form. After he fused with his other noble steed, Glastrier. The first form I drew of him was Spectrier, his other form. Here are the pearls on his neck. And I've got great news. PJ Masks has a new evolved TV series called Power Heroes. Basically, Newton Star, and Armadillon have joined the PJ Masks and have become heroes, alongside a new ally of theirs. I heard he's a polar bear fellow. And I've got great news as well. Season 5 of PJ Masks is finally coming to an end. Here are Glastrier's shoes. Here are his calves. I'm not just talking about cattle. This horse has the power to ski through the snow, just like Santa Claus. There he is. That is how you draw Ice Rider Calyrex, the brave warrior of the night sky. Also from the Pokemon Expansion Pass. Now he's off to his next adventure. That's all for now. Please like your rock and subscribe to my channel. Stegosaurus, see you later. And we better head in fast. There's a blizzard coming this way. This is my book. Here it is.